Imagine climbing a mountain. You pull out your compass, and the needle spins wildly. It doesn't point north. It doesn't point south. It points nowhere. Explorers once believed this mountain was cursed. Some thought it was supernatural. But the truth? It was far more powerful than any legend. This is the story of the magnetic mountain that confused explorers for centuries, and then disappeared. Deep in the Ural Mountains of Russia, once stood a geological giant known as Magnitnaya Mountain. Its name literally meant the magnetic mountain. Long before satellites, long before GPS, travelers relied on one simple tool to survive, the compass. But near this mountain, something strange happened. Compass needles refused to behave. They twitched. They drifted. Sometimes they pointed straight toward the mountain itself. Imagine navigating through forests and snowfields, only to realize your only guide is lying to you. Rumors spread quickly. Some believed the mountain contained hidden treasure. Others believed it was cursed ground. But no one knew just how powerful it truly was. The truth lay inside the rock itself. Magnitnaya Mountain was composed largely of magnetite, a naturally magnetic iron ore. Not just a little, an enormous concentration. So much iron that parts of the mountain produced strong local magnetic fields. Normally, your compass aligns with Earth's magnetic field. But here, the mountain's magnetic pull interfered with it. The needle didn't know which force to obey, Earth or the mountain beneath your feet. For early explorers, it was disorienting. For scientists, it was extraordinary, because this wasn't a small magnetic anomaly. It was one of the richest iron ore deposits ever discovered. And came the 20th century, and everything changed. When Soviet geologists fully realized what lay beneath Magnitnaya Mountain, they didn't see mystery. They saw opportunity. The region became the foundation for one of the Soviet Union's largest steel-producing cities, Magnetogorsk. Factories rose. Railways expanded, and the mountain that once confused explorers began to disappear. Yes, disappear. Massive mining operations carved away the iron-rich rock, year after year, decade after decade. The magnetic giant that once pulled compass needles off course was slowly being dismantled, piece by piece, turned into steel, used in bridges, buildings, weapons, machinery, the very force that once disoriented travelers, now powered an industrial empire. But here's what makes this story deeper. Magnitnaya Mountain wasn't magic. It wasn't cursed. It was a reminder of something powerful. Earth itself can override the tools we trust most. A compass feels absolute, reliable, unquestionable, until nature introduces a stronger force. And this happens in other parts of the world too. Magnetic anomalies, iron-rich formations. Even solar storms can disrupt navigation systems. The planet isn't as stable as we like to think. Invisible forces surround us constantly, and sometimes they win. Here's the twist. Today, if you visit the region, you won't see the same towering magnetic mountain that terrified explorers. Much of it is gone, mined, excavated, transformed into metal. The very mystery that made it legendary is what led to its destruction. It wasn't a curse that erased it. It was human ambition. The mountain didn't lose its power. We harvested it. So next time you hold a compass, remember this. It works until something stronger pulls the needle. And somewhere in history, there was a mountain so powerful, it bent direction itself. Welcome to X-Fact's world, where the strangest truths are hidden in plain sight.